Hello, and welcome to Eating Healthy with Michelle. My name is Michelle Schubert, and I work for Iowa State University Extension and Outreach in Cerro Gordo County. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about this one. Any idea what this one might be? Today, we're going to learn about the bell pepper. Now, there are two different kinds of peppers: hot peppers and bell peppers. But today, we're going to be talking about the bell pepper. So first, do you think a bell pepper is a fruit or a vegetable? Give me 2 claps if you think it is a fruit. Give me 2 claps if you think it is a vegetable. Bell peppers are a vegetable. So, how do they grow? Well, let's go find out. Bell peppers grow on a plant or a bush. You can see here, I have a green pepper that is growing. I also have some blossoms that might turn into a pepper. Peppers do grow in Iowa during the summertime. 80% of bell peppers grown in the United States come from California and Florida. The interesting thing about the bell pepper is that as it ages, it becomes more sweeter and milder in flavor. So the green pepper is actually an immature pepper, where if I leave it on the plant longer, it may turn red or yellow. The red pepper is a mature pepper, so it has a sweeter flavor. When picking bell peppers from the store, you want to look for bell peppers that have a firm skin, are heavy for their size, and that the stem is green and fresh. You want to avoid bell peppers that have brown or soft spots. Bell peppers come in a variety of shapes and colors, including green, orange, yellow, and red as the most common. But they also come in white, purple, and brown. The brown bell pepper is sometimes known as the chocolate pepper because it is the sweetest of the bell peppers. Before eating a bell pepper, you first want to remove the seeds on the inside. So how are some ways that we can eat bell peppers? Bell peppers are great eaten fresh. You can cut them into strips and add them to a vegetable tray and dip them in a favorite dip, like ranch or hummus. You can eat them in salads, sandwiches, and wraps. Bell peppers can also be cooked or grilled and added to soups, pasta, stir fries, like this pepper frozen stir fry mix. Tacos, fajitas, like this chicken fajita from Spend Smart, Eat Smart. Casserole dishes, egg dishes like scrambled eggs, omelets, quiche, or scrambled egg muffins. This recipe from Spend Smart, Eat Smart. Bell peppers can also be added to salsa, spaghetti sauce, as the topping on a pizza, or as a stuffed pepper, like this one from Spend Smart, Eat Smart. So now that we know all these great ways to eat bell peppers, why should we eat them? Bell peppers have vitamin C. Vitamin C helps our body in 3 different ways. It helps get rid of the germs in our body, heal our cuts and bruises, and helps keep our skin healthy. Bell peppers also have vitamin A. Vitamin A helps our eyesight or our vision and can help us see at night. This week, I encourage you to try some bell peppers at home. If you would like to know some more information about bell peppers or some recipes to try at home, like the stuffed peppers, check out the newsletter that goes along with this video. You can find it on our website. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.